Hey guys, it is my weekend. I'm just relaxing at home. I have not posted a gym vlog in like a month, so I put together some clips of just some stuff that's happened over the past month. I did accidentally delete my squatting videos. I only squatted once in a month and deadlifted like once in the past 2 weeks because I was starting to feel really fatigued. And I took like a 6-day break from, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. I took 6 days off that week because I had to learn CPR, first aid, and AED. So I'm now certified in that. But here's the vlog for August. I'm going to begin posting vlogs again more frequently. All right, I love you guys. Enjoy. I am like 40 minutes early, so I'm gonna sit somewhere, maybe have a sandwich, and get this day started. Hey guys, so I'm now first aid, CPR, and AED certified. I passed the 2-day course. I think I got 85%. So now I am headed home. Love you guys. Bye. Get it. Oh my god. It's a mouse. Get it. Get it.
Or for the engagement party. So I'm at 54 guests. I'm not even going to fill out the rest of the list. If these people made it, I would be okay.
Just meal prepping some oats with berries and yogurt. I just had the funniest thing happen to me. So I just left the gym and doing some bench press, went to the store to get some change to get on the bus. And I was like, I'd like to buy a scratch ticket. And I pointed to the 777. I was like, and I would like $10 cash back. He's like, how old are you? 26. I was like, 40. He's like, 40. It's so funny when I get that reaction, like people are not expecting me to be that age. And I was like, yep, that's right, March 10th, 1985. And 40's really not a big deal. I feel like my life is literally just starting. It took me almost to the age of 40 to get a full-time job with benefits that I actually enjoyed. It took me that long to actually start to pop off on Instagram. I just started going viral on Instagram after like, I'd say almost 20 years of really trying to push my content. And like maybe just 5 years before that, I got stable housing. So I feel like my life is finally in a good place, you know. But your life is not over at 40 or even 30. I remember when I thought 27 was old, but it's really not. All right, guys, love you. Bye. Have a great day.
Ese se va a hacer something with the city. What time was it?
Good morning. It's time to start my day. My sleep mask. I work overnights, so I just woke up. Well, no. I've been up for a few hours. Been scrolling. And now I'm gonna go shower and get ready to go do an overnight shift. Tomorrow's deadlifts. So I have to pack my meal prep to make some. Well, I'm gonna bring some tea, some coffee with me. And lately, I've been making a huge thing of tea before I go in. I have to clean out the container that I heat up my meal prep in. Chicken, one beef if I have it. Those are both chicken. Guess I'm out of the beef already. I gotta buy more. Okay, so 2 chicken and rice with veggies. 2 of those. And then I want to put some extra yogurt. The way I'm meal prepped, I feel like there's not enough yogurt in it. And I actually put less than I was supposed to anyway. Normally you can have way more Greek yogurt than this. You're allowed to have like way more than that. So there we go. That's still not even like as much as what you're allowed to have. So I'm on the deficit right now. I made these meals last night. I couldn't even finish them all. I got these avocado, but they're not ripe enough to eat. Alright, 2 meal preps. I also have this banana just in case. Just in case I'm still hungry. Last night I couldn't even finish my 3rd meal. Bringing some instant coffee, Himalayan pink salt, and the water. And then I'm going to make some tea, and yeah, it's now time to shower. I have my outfit picked out already. I just have to put it on when I get out. And I got my gym outfit also picked out. Life is just so much easier when you organize things into little steps and where they should be.